Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasngi pet but subscribe ya u an khubor bam ta kasngi. U President ka Khasi Author Society KAS Dr. DRL Nonglait ne kasngi palay ularung pat ba shakaseng National People Party NPP. Balapin na pai baru kumukurtong bani khun ya ka election shiteng samoy ka Lok Sabha na Shillong Parliamentary Constituency ya ka jing na pai ba lapelong. The National President ke NPP Parliamentary rangba ka jila Conrad ke sangma ha ka jing lang pat ba jong ka party. U Dr. DRL Nonglait u de u professor but academician u bala pau bha hapo ka jila Meghalaya. But u bala tre shitam ha ka liang ka puli dang ni khasi ka tho ka tar bar ka jingwat bnia halor ka tien bar ka culture khasi. Ula longru u bala ya lam shakmat ya ka jing ki bandawa penrung ya ka tin khasi hapo ka kernet bapra jong ka riti sinshar ka ri India. Ha ka jing kren u Conrad ke sang maulo ong ba ka jing so jong Dr. Nonglait kan pen khan shu ya ka NPP ha Shillong Parliamentary Constituency but pen pawru ba ka party ka don ka jing shania ka ba scam. Ha ka jing lam bar ka jing nang jing start jong uniu academician.
Bapak Proff tahun ini yo yang kecil hati.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for inviting me. Welcome.
The first to felicitate is the National President, National People's Party, Sir Conrad who is also the Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya. Ladies and gentlemen, please give a big round of applause. The State President, National People's Party, Shri Preston Tirsa. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a big round of applause. We have the National Vice President NPP, Sir Shillong Parliament, to felicitate Sir Nonglait at this moment. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give them a round of applause. We also have, before we do that, we have Sir Hamlet to pick a badge of honor to Sir Nonglait. Give a big round of applause. We have the National Working President, Sir James K. Samba.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
We also have with us Congress Mary Khapuri, who is the President for National People's Women Front. She is also the MDC. She will be feliciting Sir Nonglait as well.
Our respected office bearers of the National People's Party, of the National Committee, as well as of the State Committee, and all members of the National People's Party from different frontal organizations who have come here to be part of this general body meeting. I welcome each and every one of you to this very, very important meeting. Second, I would like to take this opportunity on behalf of the party to welcome Dr. Nonglait to the National People's Party family. Let's give a round of applause. Yeah. I also would like to ask everybody to please stand up where we are so that we can once again welcome Dr. Nonglait to the NPP family. Friends, at this point in time, we have a very, very important decision to make. And as has been proposed by the state committee or recommended, it will be appropriate that in this general meeting, where all members from all the constituencies in the Khasi J&K region have come here today, I would like to give a proposal on behalf
the people and the state, and also for the aspirations of everyone. Our constituency represents diversity, but in unity. And it also represents rich cultural heritage. I assure you that I will strive to be the voice of every section of society. Some of the issues which I will work, the demand for inclusion of Khasi in the 8th schedule of the Indian Constitution, transformation of education from the elementary to the higher secondary levels, and promotion for higher and technical education in the state. I will also fight for upholding secularism in the country. ILP is another issue which I will take up. Youth empowerment, preservation of our indigenous identity, and the overall progress of Meghalaya and the nation. Therefore, friends, I seek the blessings, support, and cooperation of each one of you. I seek the support of all citizens, irrespective of political affiliations. Let us move forward together with love, sincerity, unity, and a shared vision for a better future. Once again, I express my heartfelt gratitude to the National People's Party under the able leadership of Sri Conrad Kesama, Ba Preston Song, Mas Nyob Halangdhar, and others for this trust and responsibility. Thank you. Lada pim e yau parabriu pim la manong pi e jakari bat jakajai penreu. Kishu kibangan yakun kilong kitu kibang la keren mene ngan nam kedau syu yaki handai la kumno ngan ong biang sa jisen kum ka jingban ban penrung ya ka tien khasi hapo ka krenet ka bapra ban penkhmai ban transform ya ka education ya ka puli ka puthi nado elementary hado higher secondary ban kentiu ban penyar ya ka higher and technical education ngai khublai ya ka sorkar kabla thung yo maumer ban wanra ya ka Shillong Medical College but ya ka Shillong Engineering College sa artli ki nursing college kindang wanra nagaling jonga ngaladap soy ban ay ka permission na ka banda kini ki artli ki nursing college ngalayo ya ka ban penstet na ka banta ban pendep ya ka syllabus jong ka Shillong Medical College bat ka Shillong Engineering College ban penlong ya ki board ban penkre penbit penbiang ya ki syllabus dakaba ngakhat ya ki banlong emergent meeting kawai ka board hadien kawai pat namar bon teli ki subject pintep apa ka medical college but engineering college dan kam ki boards ki pair ni hablets na ki to ki boards ki baret sia ka school board hado ka academic council ka state government ka ongin plina menta ngahat ya ka bande trebat ki officer jongki na ka benta ban pendap state ya kini ki kam kumta kwa ban kentiu hakani ka jok ya ka technical but professional education hapo jong ka jala kajingwanra ya ka state university kalong way pat mau me walada ka jing sedang kalong in a humble way hakadur bampat bit pat biang hanrei ladang yola banya trei bat ka sarkar hakini rukam lani khamha ladau pai bau ibet ya kaban tha yanga sia parliament ka state university Williamson State University kan yarangkat bor bat ki way pat ki central university sakari kami ki way ki issues ngira bankren urban development kaji penroi council penek pensa ya ke culture ke jongi ki riti ki dostur ki jongi da ka baya slop bat ki bor snong ki bor hima wat ka district council ngimdai bandan ka jing ya persya handrai nginlek ban ya kai ringkat bar state government bat ki ministry jong ka sarkar India ki ba kentil ya ka jingong kerpang jong ki jaj benriu ritpat hapo jong kari ngaran sibon bankren handrai kapor kalabiang yanga yamenta bankren tenrai jaj bapla phayeng hangni lasisha ngadan napeng ke jingbom biang gamet kaphat kadan ka jingong ada step ya south ligi kijat aga por mersni ya art ligi kijat bat aga por janmiet ya south ligi kijat we kita kadai ko por ka ba haga jing im ka jongi dang khulum ni chupar south ligi kijat dala syait laklan na samla art ligi kijat par mentah la rangba hab ya south light ligi kijat ngadon ke jing snow kendiat ke jing snow long wet katu kan ni